Hello children, how are you? Children, had your breakfast? Yes. Why do we eat food? Yes, to get energy. Why do we need energy? Yes, to do all activities we need energy. Isn't it children? Yes. Today's our lesson is energy. Okay children? Children, you will achieve the following learning outcomes from this lesson. Children will learn that energy is used for different purposes in different forms. You will learn about different forms of energy. You will understand the use of different forms of energy for various gadgets. Okay children, you watch this video. What do you see in the video? Yes, you can see many vehicles. How do these vehicles run? We will see. Observe these pictures. What is this children? Yes, this is bullock cart. How it runs? Using bullock. It needs a person to run. It doesn't need any petrol or diesel. Okay children? Yes. What is this? Yes. This is rickshaw. How it runs? Is it needs any petrol? No. It runs with our energy. It runs with a person's energy. Where do we get energy? From food. Yes, what is this children? This is an auto. How it runs? It runs with diesel or CNG gas. What is this children? Motorcycle. It runs with petrol. Okay children? Yes, these children are going to school by bicycle. It doesn't need petrol or diesel. It needs our energy. What is this children? This is corrugated cart. Topudu bandi. Is it needs any petrol? No, it doesn't need. It needs only a person's energy. Observe this picture children. This is a train. Yes, it runs with electricity. You can observe these cables here. Yes, it runs with electricity. What is this children? It is also a train, but it runs with coal. This is car. It runs with petrol or diesel. Name the vehicles in the picture. How do they run? Yes, we have seen many vehicles just now. Children, you look into your book and answer. You have seen bullock cart, rickshaw, auto, motorcycle, bicycle, trains, car, corrugated cart. What is needed to pull cycles, rickshaws, bullock carts, etc.? These vehicles need petrol? No. These vehicles doesn't need petrol. These vehicles run with our energy. Where do we get energy? Yes, we get energy from food. What is needed for operating cars, motorcycles, vans and autos? Yes, what is needed? Yes, petrol or diesel. For some vehicles they need gas. There are two trains in the picture. Which fuel does the first train run on? Yes, first train runs with electricity. Which fuel does the second train run on? Yes, second train doesn't need electricity. It runs with coal. Vehicles need fuels like petrol and diesel to run. Isn't it, children? Vehicles need petrol or diesel. Some vehicles like bullock carts and rickshaws do not need fuel. Bullock carts, rickshaws, bicycles, they do not need fuel. We pull them with energy obtained from eating food. We pull them అంటే మనము లాగుతాం. ఎలా? మనము ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటాం కదా, దాని ద్వారా వచ్చిన ఎనర్జీ తోటి మనము రిక్షాస్, బుల్లక్ కార్ట్స్ లాగుతాం అన్నమాట. వెహికల్స్ అండ్ మెషిన్స్ వర్క్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యూయల్స్ లైక్ పెట్రోల్, డీజిల్ అండ్ ఆల్సో విత్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ అండ్ గ్యాస్. Yes, some vehicles run with petrol, some vehicles run with diesel, some machines run with electricity. For example, washing machine, rice cooker, and some vehicles also they run by using electricity. Some vehicles use gas like CNG gas, LPG gas. Okay, children. The food we take gives us energy. The food which we eat gives us energy. Fuels provide energy to vehicles or machines. Yes, we get energy from food. Where do we get energy to these vehicles? Yes, fuels provide energy to vehicles or machines. Energy is needed by humans and machines. Work and by vehicles to move. For us, energy is needed to work. We will do many activities from morning to evening. How can we do? Yes, by using this energy. We will get energy from food. Vehicles get energy from fuel. What do these need? Yes, how this fan work? With electricity, or some fans work with batteries also. What is this, children? Yes, this is generator. When will we use this generator? Yes, when electricity is not available, we use generators. How it works? By using diesel or petrol. What are these, children? Yes, chilies. Chilies are dried under sunlight. What is this, children? Torchlight. How it works? It will get energy from batteries. This is kerosene stove. It will work with kerosene only. This is wood stove, wooden stove. It works with wood, firewood. Yes, this is gas stove. It works with gas only. What is this, children? This is iron box. When coal burns, this iron box works. బొగ్గులతో పనిచేసే ఐరన్ బాక్స్ అన్నమాట. Children, you think and say, what are the things in the pictures above? Just now, I have shown many pictures to you. What are there? Yes, fan, generator, chillies, torchlight, kerosene stove, wood stove, gas stove, and iron box. You have seen these pictures. What does a fan need to rotate? What does a fan need? Yes, fan needs electricity to work. Otherwise, some fans work with batteries also. What does a torch need to light? This is torch light. What does it need? It needs batteries to light. How are chilies dried? Chilies ఎలా ఎండాయి? ఎలా ఎండుతున్నాయి? Yes. Chilies are dried under sunlight. What are the different stoves seen in the picture above? What is needed to light them? Yes, first one is kerosene stove. It needs kerosene to work. Second one is, yes, second one is wooden stove. It needs firewood. Last one is gas stove. It needs gas to light it. How does an iron box get heated? How does it work, children? Yes, with coal, with burning coal. It works with burning coal. Some gadgets need electricity, some depend on solar energy, and some others need fuels to get the energy needed for them to work. Yes, some gadgets need electricity. For example, fans. Some depend on solar energy. For example, solar cars. Some depend on other fuels like petrol and diesel. Energy is the basis for all operations, work and movements. Energy is used for many different purposes and in different forms. We are using energy in different purposes. We are using to rotate fan or to heat some food items, or we can see this energy in different forms. What are the different forms of energy? Yes, we can see different forms of energy like solar energy, wind energy, etc. Children, you make groups with your friends and discuss the following. Write about some activities where you use energy? Where do you use energy? From morning to evening, you will perform many activities. Yes, for playing and for walking, you need energy. What are the forms of energy? Yes, we have studied different forms of energy. Solar energy, the energy which comes from petrol or diesel, and wind energy. All these are different forms of energies. Which energy resources do not deplete even after we use them? అంటే మనము యూజ్ చేశాక కూడా అయిపోని ఎనర్జీస్ ఏంటి? మనం ఎంత యూజ్ చేసినా అయిపోవు, తరిగిపోవు. అలాంటి వాటి ఏంటి? ఎస్, సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ. విచ్ ఎనర్జీ రీసోర్సెస్ డిప్లీట్ వెన్ యూజ్డ్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ? అంటే మనము కంటిన్యూస్గా యూజ్ చేస్తే డిప్లీట్ అంటే అయిపోతాయి, తరిగిపోతాయి. అలాంటి ఎనర్జీస్ ఏంటి? ఎస్, పెట్రోల్, డీజిల్, గ్యాస్. మనం కంటిన్యూస్గా యూజ్ చేస్తే ఇవి అయిపోతాయి కానీ తిరిగి తయారు కావన్నమాట. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎనర్జీ రీసోర్సెస్ which deplete when we use continuously. Children, I am giving you homework. You answer these questions and show it to your teacher. Write down, children. What do we need to run vehicles? Second one, why do we need energy? Third one, what is fuel? Give examples. Fourth one, what are the forms of energy? Okay, children, shall we meet in next class? Thank you.